Welcome to our video on synonyms for the word drink. Let's dive into a world of varied vocabulary that you can use in your daily conversations. First, let's start with beverage. You can say, "Would you like a cold beverage with your meal?" It's a versatile term used in both formal and casual settings. Next up is refreshment. Imagine saying, "After the hike, we all enjoyed a refreshing beverage at the campsite." It adds a touch of relaxation to your sentence. Another great synonym is libation. Picture this. The bartender prepared a delicious libation for the weary traveler. It brings a poetic flair to your description. Quaff is another interesting word. For example, he quaffed his drink with great enthusiasm after the long run. It suggests drinking heartily and with enjoyment. Imbibe is a more formal term. You could say, "During the celebration, guests were invited to imbibe various exotic drinks." It often implies a thoughtful or enjoyable manner of drinking. Swill conveys a different nuance. For instance, he swilled down the water after his workout. It implies drinking quickly or greedily. Sup is a quaint and somewhat old-fashioned synonym. Imagine using it in a sentence like, "As the evening progressed, they supped on fine wine and engaged in deep conversation." The word sip is very common. You might say, "She took a delicate sip of her tea, savoring the flavor." It suggests drinking slowly and in small amounts. Gulp is another useful term. For example, he took a big gulp of his drink, feeling instantly refreshed. It indicates drinking large amounts quickly. Slurp can be fun to use. Picture this. The child slurped his juice noisily, much to his parents' amusement. It often suggests a noisy, enthusiastic way of drinking. Chug is typically used in more casual settings. You could say, "At the party, everyone cheered as he chugged his beer." It implies drinking something quickly, often in one go. Finally, tipple is a delightful synonym. For instance, he enjoyed a nightly tipple of whiskey by the fireplace. It usually refers to regularly drinking small amounts of alcohol. Thanks for watching. We hope these synonyms enrich your vocabulary and make your conversations more engaging. Cheers!